Choosing the right diesel heater can be tricky. Weak heating, loud noise, unreliable builds, or complex installation can easily ruin your camping or travel comfort. That's why dependable diesel heaters matter. They offer stronger heat output, quieter performance, and efficient fuel use. Today, we bring you the top 5 best diesel heaters of 2026. Perfect for cars, RVs, tents, workshops, and outdoor adventures. We checked real user reviews and specs to make this list. All product links are in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe. Number 5. Hcalory Car Parking Heater 8 kW. The Hcalory all-in-one 8 kW diesel heater is built for versatility and strong heating. It supports 12-volt, 24-volt input and includes an AC adapter, making it usable at home or on the road. The fast warming system quickly heats small to medium spaces, while the integrated tank keeps things compact. It runs quietly and efficiently, ideal for garages, RVs, or camping. With reliable temperature control and easy setup, this heater is perfect for users who want solid performance anywhere. Number 4. EAFC 8 kW Car Diesel Heater. The EAFC 8 kW diesel air heater offers strong heating power with low noise, making it great for trucks, buses, RVs, and trailers. It supports 12-volt, 24-volt, and even 220-volt use, giving you more flexibility than standard heaters. The unit warms up quickly, consumes fuel efficiently, and maintains a stable temperature. Its compact design allows easy installation, and the durable build ensures long-term reliability. Ideal for long-distance drivers or campers needing dependable warmth. Number 3. Hcalory Bluetooth Type 8 kW Diesel Heater. This Hcalory Bluetooth-enabled 8 kW diesel heater brings smart features to portable heating. You can control temperature, timers, and settings directly from your phone, or use the included remote and LCD monitor. The all-in-one design makes setup simple, while the strong airflow heats your space quickly. Great for RVs, workshops, tents, and vehicles, it offers excellent convenience and performance. Perfect for users who want modern control with powerful heating. Number 2. Mudiro 8 kW Diesel Heater with CO Protection. The Mudiro 8 kW diesel heater focuses on safety and performance. With CO protection featuring auto shutoff and alarms, it's ideal for enclosed spaces like tents, RVs, and cabins. It supports 12-volt, 24-volt, and 110-volt power, and the thermostat with TFT display gives precise temperature control. The unit heats quickly, operates efficiently, and includes a clean burning system for safer use. A great pick for campers who prioritize safety without sacrificing heat output. Number 1. SUITU 5 kW Diesel Air Heater 3-in-1. The SUITU 5 kW diesel air heater is a powerful, versatile model, supporting 12-volt, 24-volt, and 220-volt inputs. Its 3-in-1 design integrates heating, air supply, and fuel storage into one compact body. With a silencer and remote control, it operates quietly and conveniently. The strong airflow quickly warms cars, trucks, boats, and RVs. Reliable, efficient, and easy to use, this heater takes the top spot for offering premium performance with wide compatibility. These diesel heaters offer powerful warmth, low noise, and dependable performance for cars, RVs, tents, and workshops. From smart controls to safety features, each model brings something valuable. Choose the one that fits your travel or camping needs. Comment your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe.